We did not add responsiveness in our application. If you inspect that, if we close that, this sidebar will be closed. So I would like to implement that. Let me show you what do I need to implement. If I change the resize the window, did you see that? It has closed the side nav bar. If you go to the mobile phone, you will see the side nav has closed. So that is we have to implement. I'm going to use a media query. So you can use this match media method. It is available in the TypeScript in our Angular project because it is a global variable. Window is a global variable, and here we have match media method. I can use that. It will return the media query list object, and that object will represent the media query string. I can access the result of media query by using this method. Here you can see that we will add the breakpoint on 720 pixel. Let's implement that. First we need to open the side nav component.html. You can also use property binding. Opened. This time we need to use the method here is screen small. I did not create this method yet in the side nav component.ts file. I'm going to use the toggle here. If opened, then closed. If closed, then opened. I can also use property binding for the mode. Let's say if screen is small, then we need to close the sidebar. I can use the mode here. If screen is small, then I would like to use the over mode. If screen is big, then we need to use side mode. That's it. I also need to change here toggle here, toggle side nav, toggle TOGGLE. It's not working. My code has broken because we don't have a screen small method. Let's implement that. Open the side nav component. Is screen small? Is screen small? Cool. So we're gonna use a media query. I'm gonna create a new variable, media matcher, and it will return the media query list, and I'm going to use the match media method. I have talked about this match media method. So it will take the query string. We need to specify our breakpoint. I'm going to specify the breakpoint here, max width breakpoint. You can choose 720, maximum 720. Here we need to provide our match media. I'm going to use template string. I'm going to provide the max width to, let me replace my variable, max width breakpoint, and pixel here, pixel. Here what I want to do, it will return this dot. If matches, it will return the boolean value. Let's try to test it. Oops, it's not working yet. Let's try to inspect that. Oops, it did not work yet. Now you can see that my screen is small now, but it is not closing this side navigation bar. Angular has problem with change detection, so we need to use another strategy. I'm going to use ngZone. ngZone allows you to run asynchronous code. So ngZone call, it has imported this class. Now I can use a listener, media matcher dot add listener. Media matcher also provides a listener method. We'll take callback method. Here I'm going to use this dot zone dot run. We need to provide the callback method. It will return the this dot. It will return the result mql. This dot media matcher is equals to mql. Let's try to test it. It's working now. Let me check that. Inspect the element. I'm gonna change the width to 720 is a maximum breakpoint. Now it has closed our sidebar. That is a magic here. You can see that. Boom. You can also check on the mobile. Incredible. It has closed this side navigation bar.